Hello, today's topic is one more preprocessing function block which is called SMC rotate Q2D. Now this function block rotates your G-code in XY plane. For this example we will use the project from previous video where we showed how to scale Q3D. Now all CNC videos you can find inside the description below. What we will do is again create an instance, call it. We will also need an array of SMC geoinfo, and then we will create a visualization, and then we will execute rotation of our ellipse by 90 degrees. Let's prepare everything and then we will show how this works. Let's log in. Run. Okay, and we did a small mistake, so we haven't put a reference here. Let's quickly change this. And we are ready. So first multi-axis control, and we enable the drives. We'll execute set position on both axes. Now we prepare our CNC. So we use again ellipse1.cnc. Execute read file, interpreter, and now scale. Last time we used 0.5. Then we will use 90 degrees angle. Again, this does not need any change in a G-code. Then smooth spline with the flag 5. Check velocities. And we execute interpolator. Let's go to path. And now as you can see, it will come to the half of this length and it will start to make a ellipse shifted by 90 degrees in left. So this is how you use rotate in combination with scaling, in combination with B-spline. Here you can see exactly how this works. In preprocessing, you can add one block after each other and then execute your CNC code according. So that's it for this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.